So during the previous Nerves meetup, Gus Workman shared his work on the Nerve Starter Kit, which is a continuation of the work he did on the Goatmeyer Elixir NervesConf EU name badges. And if you weren't there, you can still clone this repo, and thanks to some help from the other open sourcians, you can use the simulator. Just run it in Phoenix. And then you can actually see the most important feature, which is this one, implemented by Peter Ulrich, simulator by Matthias Mennick, and we actually have some more people contributing now. So people are getting ready for the Nerve Starter Kit because it will be based largely on this software. It's a e-ink display device, and it will have some really cool bits. The video from the Nerves Meetup EU that covers this should release pretty soon, and also Gus will cover it in more depth at ElixirConf EU in Malaga. But as per usual, cool things are happening in Nerves. All right.